On September 24, 1997, Prime Minister Võ Văn Kiệt signed a decision allowing the establishment of Lạc Hồng University in Biên Hòa City, Đồng Nai Province. The Faculty of Civil Engineering was one of the first 5 faculties established at that time. Construction Engineering, Shaping Future. The Faculty of Civil Engineering is the unit in training and applied scientific research in the construction field. The Faculty of Civil Engineering provides graduate and postgraduate human resources meeting international integration.
The Faculty of Civil Engineering aims to become a prestigious unit in training human resources capable of catching up with the technological era by 2030.
The Faculty of Civil Engineering educates and equips students with practical knowledge, useful skills, and good attitudes so that after graduating from 3 to 5 years, students majoring in construction engineering technology will become construction engineers catching up with the technological era with professional ethics, dynamism, and creativity. Develop their capability of lifelong learning and self-training as managers. The Faculty of Civil Engineering recruited the first cohort in the academic year 1997-1998. Up till now, 26 cohorts have graduated with more than 3,000 students in undergraduate and master level. The ratio of graduates having jobs is 95%.
The Construction Engineering Technology program has 10 program learning outcomes, PLOs. Faculty number of staff is 17, including 2 Professor Doctor of Science, 2 Associate Professor of Doctorate, 2 PhDs, 9 Master, and 2 Engineers, of which 4 staff are taking the education program for PhD degree. Almost academic and support staff are young, enthusiastic, and qualified. Most of them have over 13 years of teaching experience and currently operate their own construction business.
The Faculty of Civil Engineering has developed a special training program with a core value including 3 domains: 40% of learning at classroom, 30% of learning at laboratory and practical workshop, and 30% of practical learning at construction sites. With 40% of theoretical learning, students study in classrooms and lecture halls on 8 campuses of Lạc Hồng University. Classrooms are fully equipped with air conditioning, sound system, LED lighting, projector, and dust-free board. About 30% of practical learning at workshops and laboratory. Practical workshop is located near Campus 5. It contributes to the courses such as masonry techniques, construction materials testing, reinforced concrete structures 1, 2, 3, technical practice 1, 2. The laboratory is located at Campus 6, serving the courses such as construction materials testing, reinforced concrete structures 1, 2, 3, steel structure 1, 2, strength of materials 1, 2, engineering foundation 1, 2. 30% of practical learning at construction sites, project-based learning. The faculty's pedagogical team and stakeholders agree that the knowledge, experience and skills of students gained from this activity are important to meet the needs of human resource currently.
Hello, my name is Tuyết, a first-year student majoring in construction engineering technology. I've chosen this major to satisfy my passion. I always want to become a good engineer to build meaningful and beautiful constructions.
In 2022, the Faculty of Civil Engineering has taken a big step by renovating the complex of classrooms, clubs, BIM rooms, and laboratory, and completing the working and self-study areas for students with specialized bookcase and powerful computers to design and simulate works, as well as a construction practice workshop with realistic models like a real construction site, in order to best serve the teaching, learning, and scientific research for lecturers and students. At the same time, we aim to accredit the program's quality according to international standards.
Hello, my name is Trần Tuấn Kiệt. I am studying as sophomore and am majoring in construction engineering technology. Everything here from facility to laboratory and learning rooms are well equipped with comfortable furniture. On top of that, they provide us with professional documents and pleasant self-study rooms. I can love it more.
Based on Lạc Hồng University's fundamental philosophy of ethics, intelligence, creativity, the Faculty of Civil Engineering considers learning-centeredness as the center of our educational philosophy. All activities revolve around this point. Lecturers do scientific research and study to improve their qualifications to serve the learning of students. Students take advantage of their learning to train themselves and their profession. All activities of the faculty are aimed at educating students with enough knowledge, skills, and attitudes, and capable of lifelong learning.
I want to share you my experiences while I'm studying here. The Faculty of Civil Engineering of Lạc Hồng University has very good study conditions. Overall, I especially like extracurricular activities organized by the faculty, like AutoCAD club, English club, and interesting competitions like creative bridge contest, photography contest, camping, sport. Display is wonderful.
There is an advantage that Faculty of Civil Engineering has the alumni of 26 graduate cohorts who are now business owners and experts in construction corporations. They are always ready to support the faculty in program evaluation, support students to do internships in their enterprises, take some courses, join some projects, and be long-term partners in recruiting human resource from the faculty. In addition, students can learn and work with the current lecturers who are business owners. This has brought students many opportunities to experience in the industry while being in the lecture hall.
And now I'm working in the Handong company with site manager position. Handong AUN-QA is the main contractor from Korean and operating in Vietnam market. It feels about the factory and high apartment. And now today I want to say thank you for the lecture of faculty and Lạc Hồng University give me so many the knowledge, soft skill and valuable experience of tool that help me so many in my current job. Once again, I want to say thank you.
Scientific research activities of lecturers and students aim to serve training and technology transfer and upgrade lecturers' and learners' capacity. Scientific research of the lecturers is always maintained and improved continuously over the years. Student scientific research is always considered and promoted. In the last 5 years, from 2017 to 2021, the scientific research activities are very diverse, including domestic journals, international journals, textbooks, participation in scientific conferences, scientific research projects, and especially direct participation in construction projects from design to construction.
Hi, my name is Tiên on the Brunei Faculty of Civil Engineering. I graduated in 2022. The faculty support to develop serving society, for example, AUN-QA, Revit, BIM, 3D Civil, and so on. I am very happy to return and cooperate with the faculty organize Revit Club. Thank you for this honor.
The faculty recognizes that sustainable development is not only about expertise and academics, but also social responsibility. Therefore, charity programs to give gifts to shelters and disadvantaged schools in the province have been organized every year.
In the last 10 years, from 2012 to 2022, the number of published research projects by faculty and staff has increased in quantity and quality. One national university-level scientific research project, 2 third prizes, 5 encouragement prizes for technical innovation of Dong Nai province over the years.
The faculty has more than 30 university-level scientific research projects that have been accepted, and more than 50 scientific articles published in prestigious journals. The faculty staff also presented reports at international conferences and seminars. Over 20 reference books and monographs were published by the National University Ho Chi Minh City Press and Construction Press. From 2020 to 2022, the faculty pedagogical team has achieved several achievements. One title of Typical Young Lecturer of Dong Nai Province in the academic year 2021-2022. One title of Teacher who has many excellent scientific publications in international journals, proceedings, and conferences. One title of Teacher who has excellent scientific publications in Lạc Hồng Scientific Journal. The faculty is honored to receive many certificates of merit from all levels, such as many certificates of merit from the Dong Nai Provincial People's Committee, Certificate of Merit from the Ministry of Education and Training, Certificate of Merit from the Prime Minister in 2016, the title of Excellent Labor Collective, Advanced Labor Collective for many consecutive years. In 2022, Faculty of Civil Engineering was honored to receive the Certificate of Merit from the People's Committee of Dong Nai Province.
Currently, with an experienced, enthusiastic, and professionally responsible pedagogy team, a generation of dedicated students, quality educational programs meeting social needs, as well as full learning support equipment, we always believe that a 25-year establishment and a culture of continuous improvement is a firm foundation for the Faculty of Civil Engineering to continue to train high-quality engineers to meet human resources domestically and abroad.